1973 Mercury Cougar XR7 convertible, 351 Cleveland, C6 automatic. Motor and transmission were rebuilt at time of restoration. Power steering, power disc brakes, power top. Top is new. Original leather upholstery. Tilt wheel, full gauges with tachometer. Updated with MSD electronic ignition. Air conditioning blows ice cold. Everything works on the car. West Coast car. Spent most of its life in California before coming back over to Arizona. Runs, drives, stops and steers exactly like it's supposed to do. As good as new. Amazing paint, base coat clear, Aero straight body, no door dings, no chips, no scratches, no rust, original floors, and sheet metal throughout the car. Recently serviced. I've been driving this car for probably about a week and a half. No issues, no problems. Car comes with a Marty report and window sticker. Stacks of receipts and paperwork going back the last 35 years. Excellent original interior. Go to the link in the description below to see all the pictures on this car and everything about it. Let me reset the camera. We'll fire it up and do a quick little walk around with it running. Let's fire it up and hear how it sounds. Smooth, quiet, no strange noises, nothing. Doesn't burn any oil, doesn't blow any smoke. Let's do a little walk around. Air conditioning works, blows ice cold. Nice mellow sound, goes down the road unbelievably well. And there you go. Go to the link below, see all the information, and a link to this car at our website, rpmotorcars.com. Please remember to hit subscribe and like the video. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the new vehicles we have coming in. Thanks for looking. Have a great day.